All right, friends, we're ready for lesson number 49 in our Sunday. So we're going to read our sounds. Th, all, ow, I, a, sh, ch, a, u, e, ah, qua, ar, oi, j, oi, ear, k, w, ch, o, ah, a, o, I, e, I, u, or. Okay, and now we're going to spell our sounds. So I would like you to write the sound for ear, ear. That was a new one that we've learned. And go ahead and say it with me, ear, and it's E-A-R. Very good. Our next sound I want you to write is as, meaning more than one at the end of the word. Go ahead and say it, as, and it's E-S. And then we have aw, as in saw. Okay, go ahead and say it, aw, and it's A-W. Okay, I want you to write down ja. How can we write it show me 3 ways for ja. Okay, say it ja. It would be G, J, or D, G, E. Those are the 3 ways. Okay, and next, the long O in the middle of the word, like boat. We've got O-A. And then how else can we write the long O? O, another letter E. Okay, very good. And then we are going to go ahead and read our words. Here we go. Shawl, awning, crawl, fawn, seesaw, crawfish. Sawdust, withdrawal, drawl, claws, jigsaw, jawbone. Soil, drawing, speeding, boat, point, flaw. Paying, soak, moist, jaw, staying, toast. Coin, thaw, joining, road, coil, dawn. Showing, coast, tinfoil, ditch, glowing, roast. Paw, clutch, blowing, join, lawn, hatch. Goat, broil, wedge, roach, boiling, checker. All right, and let's do our sentences. Draw the lines for the bases. The chicken was cooking on a charcoal grill. The hawk saw the fawn resting on the lawn. Pile straw on the roses so they don't freeze. And we're ready to spell our words. Give yourself a round of applause for doing a great job on reading your words. And we're going to spell the word latches. You say it, latches. We spell it as. Okay, so that is latches. Next word we're going to spell is thaw. You say it, thaw. We spell it aw. It's like saw. T-H-A-W. Good job. Our next word is a sight word, should. You say it, should. Go ahead and write it. S-H-O-U-L-D, should. Our next word we're going to practice is foaming. You say it, foaming. We spell it F-O-M-ing. Remember the 3 letters that make up ing. Our next word has a soft C. It's prance. You say it, prance. We spell it ants. Okay, and that is P-R-A-N-C-E, prance. Okay, the next word we're going to write is judge. You say it, judge. We spell it J-U-D-G-E. Okay. That's after a short U, so we would spell it J-U-D-G-E. The next word we're going to practice is claw. You say it, claw. We spell it K-L-A, like saw and thaw. C-L-A-W. We have another sight word that's similar to should, but it is could. Go ahead and say it. Could. C-O-U-L-D. Okay, the next word has that ear sound in it. It smears. You say it, smears. We spell it S-M-ears. Okay, smears. Our next word is lunge. You say it, lunge. We spell it L-U-N-G. Lunge. Good. All right. The next word we're going to spell is batches. You say it, batches. We spell it B-A-Ch-E-S. So B-A-Ch-E-S. Good job. Our next word is a sight word. It's the word would. Not like the wood that you chop down, but would you like to come to my house for a play date? Would. Go ahead and write it. Similar to should and could. It is W-O-U-L-D. Would. The next word we're going to write is load. You say it, load. We spell it L-O-D. Good. And we're going to write the word prince. You say it, prince. We spell it P-R-I-N-C-E. So we spell that P-R-I-N-C-E. It's got that soft C. Our next word is edge. You say it, edge. We spell it E-J. So you've just got that E, and then that is a short E, so D-G-E, edge. Our next word is law. You say it, law. We spell it L-A. So L-A-W. Our last word we're going to spell is a sight word, have. You say it, have. We spell it H-A-V-E, have. Okay, our sentence for today is soak up some rays while the sun shines. You say it, soak up some rays while the sun shines. Okay, we definitely need a capital letter at the beginning. Okay, so check out your sentence and make sure that it matches mine. Soak up some rays while the sun shines. All right, and the last part for our lesson today is learning a few new sight words. So we have the word very. Okay, we're going to spell that. You can just do it on your table with your 2 fingers, your pointer and the finger next to you, and it should be your writing 2 fingers. We are going to spell V-E-R-Y, very. Again, V-E-R-Y, very. Okay. And our next word is again. Okay, so we're going to trace that on our table. A-G-A-I-N, again. One more time. A-G-A-I-N, again. And our last word we're going to learn today is against. You say it against. We spell it A-G-A-I-N-S-T, against. And one more time. A-G-A-I-N-S-T, against. All right, great job on the lesson today, friends. We'll see you later. Bye.